Hey Jared, welcome to the Christmas Puzzle Box Challenge. This video is a complete spoiler, so if you don't want to spoil trying to figure out the puzzle, don't watch this video. This puzzle box, all but two sides move. The back doesn't move and the front doesn't move. You'll notice on the front, this gap right here, that's because this top slides off towards the front of the box. The sides can move up, which allows you to move the bottom from side to side. And once you move the bottom to the side, it allows the side to move further to the bottom. When it moves further to the bottom, it then frees up so that you can move these top sliders. The first pattern is what I'm going to call a small maze. Like that. And then the rest of the patterns are on the other side, so you gotta slide these over so that you can slide this up, so that you can slide the bottom over, so that you can slide this side down, which then allows you to slide these. The first pattern is small maze, like so. Next one is waves. Like so. And the next one is a big maze. Like so. And finally waves again. These little pins follow the maze in here, and that's the puzzle. If you want, you can remove this top like so, without the top in there. It's just a box, not a puzzle anymore. To put it back together, you slide this top back in and then do everything in reverse. So the first one was big maze, then then waves, then small maze, and then the other side. Small maze again. Just like that.